Here we go. Whoa! Oh yeah. Forgot how big this was. These views are so ledge. Your glass is going to be alright. I'll take them off for this one. Yeah, we'll see. Views up here are insane.
Wow.
We're still going. Oh boy, here we go. Here we go. Oh, that didn't feel good. That didn't feel good at all.
Oh my god.
Look at this. Get them arms up, boy. Oh! What? What? Oh my god. Worth the wait. Oh my god. I thought the wheel. I had visions of that wheel coming off. And we just flying and whacking our head and out of here, mate.
Oh, Jesus.
That's too good. Whew.